Consider a non-negative counting semaphore S. The operation PS decrements S and VS increments S. During an execution, 20 PS operations and 12 VS operations are issued in some order. The largest initial value of S for which at least one PS operation will remain blocked is dash. So this is a question coming from operating systems topic regarding semaphores. So if you don't know about semaphores, I would recommend please refer to the video lectures and learn about it first before coming to the question. So in this question, we are performing 20 P of S operations. So P of S is nothing but down operation on the semaphore, and 12 V of S operation. V of S are up operations on the semaphore, increment operations. So we have 20 decrement operations, 12 increment operations, and they are saying what is the largest value of S for which at least one down operation will remain blocked. So if you see, we'll have P and V's etc. in some order. There will be 20 P operations and 12 V operations. So there will be 32 operations in some order. That order doesn't matter. Okay, and they are asking for if we have it in some order, what is the largest value of S which will ensure that at least one P operation will remain blocked. So if you take a look here, for every P operation and one V operation, the total effect will be cancelled out. So what I mean to say is that here P will decrement the semaphore by 1, okay, and after a while if we have some V operation, that V will increment the value of the semaphore by 1. Similarly, if we have some V and then later some P is coming, similarly what happens here is that V operation will increment the semaphore, but this P will decrement the semaphore. So the total effect will be cancelled out. Similarly, if we have P and then V, then also the total effect will be cancelled out. The semaphore's value will remain the same. P will decrease, V will increase. Similarly here, V will increase, P will decrease. So if we have 20 P operations and 12 V operations, out of that 20 P operations will be, its effect will be cancelled out due to 12 V operations happening later. So this we can consider as 8 P operations alone. Okay. Now if we have 8 P operations only, if a semaphore's value is any value greater than or equal to 8, then this 8 P operations will go on executed unblocked, because for each P operation, that operation will be unblocked if the value of semaphore is greater than or equal to, if the value of the semaphore is greater than 0. So if, let us say I have 8 operations, then initially the value is 8, then after each operation the value will reduce by, initially it is 8, so it will become 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So only after all the 8 operations will the value become 0. If I have one more P operations coming in, then that one will be blocked. So if you have 8 P operations, if the semaphore value is 8, then none of those will be blocked. But if the semaphore's value is 7, then the first 7 P operations will be executed unblocked, but the last one will be blocked. So the largest initial value of the semaphore for which at least one P operation will be blocked is 7.